A light switches off in Tejeda. The day chills, savage heat sucked out in an instant. The sun's arc dips to slip west, shades of a short dusk, rolling gold and pink burnt to scarlet. A supersaturated horizon on fire. The fierce colour bands pierced by standing stone silhouettes of shattered caldera pinnacles. A collective brutal monument still throwing out wild punches into the ragged wind. Mist calms the violence, claims the valleys, pours over the volcano's razored rim, soothing its unsettled heart. Nocturnal shadows melt into paling ashes. All through the blazing night, Orion rules the vaulted sky, does battle with Taurus, the reach of their warrior cries and bellows as solid as geology, unheard by earthlings below.